Union Home Minister Amit Shah will chair the plenary meeting of the North-Eastern Council NEC, a regional planning body of 8 northeastern states here in Meghalaya on Friday. He is scheduled to arrive today evening. Governors and Chief Ministers of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, who are also members of the NEC, will attend the plenary meet to be held at State Convention Centre. Meanwhile, in view of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit, elaborate traffic arrangements have been put in place to ensure smooth movement of the VVIP. Police informed there will be stoppage of vehicular traffic in various places of the city and on the route to be taken by the VVIP. Only one-way vehicular traffic will be allowed to ply during the movement of the VVIP. However, emergency service vehicles will be allowed to ply and will be facilitated. The state BJP is gearing up to raise the pending issues of a state